Hello, in front of me I have Rubicon LW06 watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the On-Wear application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the app, we need to tap on the device icon right here, and we should see the device page for our watch. Basically, on this page, you should see the picture of your watch right here. Tap on it, and then tap on Unpair, and tap on Confirm. Okay, once it's done, you should see this pop-up. Basically, it tells us to go to Settings. So we can close the app, open the settings on our iPhone. In Settings, you should see the Bluetooth option. Tap on it, and here you should see the HRNBE64-641 device. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device to confirm and remove it from the list of my devices. And at this point, the watch is unpaired from our iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.